Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your keyboard settings now. You need the keyboard app selected, for example, Gboard or the system keyboard, so tap its name. Once there, locate the language or input section and choose Manage Languages. You're doing this to tell the keyboard which dictionary and auto-replace rules to apply. This affects spelling corrections and suggestions. Make sure to keep the original language if you want quick switching. Otherwise, turn off undesired languages. Next, add or switch languages inside the keyboard app. Tap Add Language, then pick the specific dialect or variant you need. Download any language pack if prompted. Once installed, arrange languages in order of priority, or enable a quick switch key like globe or long press spacebar, so you can toggle on the fly. You do this because Autocorrect uses the active language dictionary. Changing the order changes which dictionary corrects typed words. If you want both, enable multilingual suggestions. Finally, apply and validate the new autocorrect language. Close any active apps, then force close or restart the keyboard so settings take effect. Now type a few sentences in the chosen language to confirm corrections and suggestion accuracy. Try words that previously autocorrected incorrectly. If autocorrect still uses the wrong language, go back to language settings, ensure only the intended language is active, or reinstall the keyboard app. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.